Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm going to use my Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in medium warm. And I'm going to set it with the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using the Morphe 3503 palette. And I'm going to take that shade and put that in my crease. And I'm going to take that other shade that I'm pointing to now. I'm going to put that all over my lids. And then I'm going to take that bright orange shade. And I'm going to put that in the inner corners of my eye. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos because that helps my channel and it helps with my content being shown. Now I'm using the House of Lashes eyelash glue and the Ioni Wispy eyelashes. To make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes, I'm using the Sephora Eye Pencil. And I'm also going to use the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. Moving on to my face, I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For my primer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector. To keep my face matte and to keep it from getting oily, I'm using the Be Pure Blurring Press Powder in medium deep. For foundation, I'm using the UOMA by Sharon Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. I'm just going to put this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer again, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. For bronzer, I'm using the Beauty Bay bronzer in Chestnut, and I'm using this to bronze my face as well as contour my nose. Now to set all the places where I had that concealer at, I'm using the Revolution Beauty Loose Baking Powder in Banana Deep. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440 as my all-over face powder. For blush, I'm using the Beauty Bay blush in Coral. To To highlight, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter, and I'm just going to use that shade for my highlight. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Lip Gloss in Leo, and I'm using the NYX Lip Liner in Club Popper. And also I use the Morphe Concealer Setting Mist to set my face, though that part is not in this video, but that was the last step that I did. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this vanilla almond eyeshadow look with the pop of orange. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. And also, as I mentioned earlier, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos because that helps my channel and it helps with my content being shown. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Like any suggestions for makeup looks, let me know so that I can do them. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thank you so much. And I will see you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.